Hey everyone, welcome to ECS Motion. My name's Alex, and for this video, I'm doing another weather forecast video around Australia. I've got lots to talk about. Happy Friday, getting near the end of the year. I'm really excited for the New Year's Eve and the Christmas. But there's a lot to talk about. Lots of severe thunderstorms across New South Wales, South Australia, and WA. Expected two tropical cyclones and a large one here expect to develop. One already started to develop right there. A cold front that might sweep through later into the week, and also just basically weather forecast is going to be more rain in this North Queensland area. It's going to be a crazy week. Crazy next week, especially down here. It's going to be a fair bit. So let's jump into the rain and thunder. Hopefully this video doesn't go for too long. I don't really want that to happen. Anyway, let's start things off in South Australia. Lots of interest last night in South Australia. There were some powerful thunderstorms indeed in some of these areas with damaging winds, large hailstones, and heavy rainfall as well. Now, what we're going to see today is these storms move away from South Australia. We'll still see some storms around Adelaide. A bit of a rain event might occur near Victoria, near Melbourne, and then into western New South Wales near Broken Hill, a few thunderstorms, and then around Sydney we could see a bit of a severe thunderstorm outbreak. It's possible for today with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rain. Now, these storms will move into tomorrow, later on tonight, actually. You can see severe thunderstorms will develop in northwest New South Wales, northwest Victoria, and also southwestern New South Wales. Severe thunderstorms are likely, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and large hailstones. All of those are possible with these storms. Melbourne will see a bit of a rain event, no lightning shown, no thunderstorms, just rain basically. Before tomorrow, we'll see a powerful severe thunderstorm outbreak. This is the outbreak I've been watching for the past 5 days, a severe thunderstorm outbreak outside of Canberra. Not only Canberra, but Parks as well. Severe thunderstorms, very dangerous severe thunderstorms are also possible with large to giant hail, mainly heavy to locally intense rainfall, and also the chance of some damaging wind gusts in some of those areas. Now heading into further into Saturday, that was about in the morning. Sunday, it's pretty clear, nothing exciting at all, really, just a couple showers along the coast. Let's get South Australian here as well with us. So nothing exciting that day. Sunday's quite clear, just a couple showers in northeast New South Wales. Before a bit of a thunderstorm outbreak occurs in South Australia, you can see some severe storms are possible here and up there. Severe thunderstorms are possible on Monday in the very early morning. Showers and thunderstorms along the coast near Coffs Harbour. We could see I'm not exactly sure what's going on around Kempsey there. I don't know if this is just going to be a bit of a rain band or will it actually be a thunderstorm. But if you do live in Kempsey, keep an eye on this for Monday. If this stays the same when I do my forecast tomorrow and Saturday, keep a very, very close eye on this. It looks like a bit of a rain event may develop. Let's just check the rain accumulations very quick on that day. Yeah, it looks like a bit of a rain band might be developing here and moving down that way. That makes sense. Okay. Anyway, maybe we'll talk about that a little bit later. But yeah, that day, severe thunderstorms in South Australia, very widespread indeed, around Roxby Downs. Basically this whole area where you see the red and yellow severe storms, definitely. Gonna be a crazy day for some in South Australia. And then these will become rain showers before on Tuesday another outbreak of thunderstorms in north central New South Wales. So yeah, more storms right here. A bit of a rainmaker may develop over here. A bit more rain. Severe thunderstorms around Lightning Ridge, South Central Queensland around St. George, south of Charleville. Severe thunderstorms are possible, but it's mainly going to be rain showers and light thunderstorms. Nothing too crazy is expected for that day. However, later on to the night, we're not going to be surprised. Severe thunderstorms are likely in the good windy Chinchilla sort of area. Maury could pick up some brutal rain indeed. If this actually develops, some good rain is expected, up to 50 millimeters, if not more, um, in just a period of 3 hours in some of these areas. Look at this, up to 60 millimeters, just 3 hours. That's some decent rain there, mainly from thunderstorms. And then later into the night, about Wednesday 1 a.m., we could see a bit of a severe thunderstorm outbreak. You can see lightning is shown, so that means these are going to be thunderstorms. They're heading right towards Brisbane. And near Millmerran, Toowoomba, severe thunderstorms are likely. Stanthorpe, mainly of heavy locally intense rainfall. If not, it's just going to be a big rain event. But Brisbane's likely to get some very decent rain accumulations. Same thing with Boona, Gold Coast, Clifton, Warwick, Stanthorpe. Basically, this whole area right here is going to get some very decent rain accumulations. It's going to be heavy. I can guarantee to you for that. We got a bit off track there, and then throughout the week, nothing exciting. Couple of thunderstorms here and there, northeast New South Wales throughout the days. Monday, also just light showers in South Australia, nothing exciting. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Either a tropical low, I don't think it is. Possibly, what is it called? Oh yeah, an East Coast low. East Coast low. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Maybe an East Coast low will develop. You can see it does have some pretty decent wind gusts with it. Let's just check the wind. Yeah, look at that. Up to nearly 90 kilometer an hour wind gusts, guys. This is definitely not going to be an exciting system for some. Maybe it is. I don't think it's a tropical cyclone, guys. I don't think it's a cyclone. It's an East Coast low for sure. Cyclones can't develop. Let's check the sea temperature. Oh, I'm a bit surprised. In fact, I'm kind of shocked. Those sea temperatures aren't even that cold. Like, I mean, there is slight possibilities of cyclones to develop in this area, but very low chances. Very, very low. Yeah, this will be an East Coast low, guys. So, if you live, come on, show me, please, work. If you live in Newcastle, especially Central Coast, Gosford, be prepared. Well, not yet. Just keep this in your head for now. If you live from Port Macquarie down to Sydney, keep a very close eye on the system. It will bring gale force winds, especially to Newcastle. Looks like the crossing will be somewhere over the entrance or over Gosford in Central Coast. But this system will bring some good rain, so I'm looking forward to see how that develops and see what happens. But yeah, throughout the week, then nothing else after Saturday and Sunday, after those big thunderstorms move through. Let's talk about more detailed southeast and south central and central Queensland right now. So a couple light showers are expected in the areas. Saturday, nothing exciting. A couple thunderstorms inland are possible. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Sunday, a bit of a thunderstorm outbreak is possible for mainly, heavy rain, heavy light rain. Oopsies, I messed something up. There we go. Oh my god, guys, hang on. Anyway, it's mainly going to be for heavy rain, light showers and rain. There's no severe storms are really expected, except for outside of Warwick. There is a slight possibility, but not overly likely. Few showers and thunderstorms around Rolleston, also southeast Queensland, central Queensland, and southwest central Queensland. There, some storms are possible, greatly possible there. Severe thunderstorms. I talked about these on Tuesday. A bit of a rain event may develop. Then a bit of another rain event. Some light thunderstorms in that central Queensland area. A couple thunderstorms, a possible thunderstorm outbreak in central Queensland. There's a chance of thunderstorms on Saturday, but it's going to be late at night, so nothing to really look forward to if you're a storm lover and you want to see it in the day, not the day. A couple thunderstorms on Wednesday, quite clear, there's nothing exciting at all. Till we come into Thursday, a bit of a thunderstorm outbreak, possibly severe thunderstorm outbreak in the Gladstone, Agnes Water, Edisford, Billa area. Some severe thunderstorms are possible, and then later on into Friday, this is very out of forecast, guys. This is very unreliable. It's past the 14-day mark. We'll keep an eye on this. We could see a bit of a severe thunderstorm outbreak, but I'm not exactly sure about this forecast yet because it's still 14 days away, and there's no point to worry about it. So nothing exciting there. Let's move to North Queensland and the Northern Territory. So my forecasts aren't as detailed because I'm not going to do them as detailed because it takes up so much time. So showers and thunderstorms continuing today throughout Forsyth, parts of Central Queensland, also into Northern Territory, basically this northern half of Australia. Showers and thunderstorms all the time, every day, basically. Near Broome, severe thunderstorms. There is a possibility, but they're not severe most of the time. It's just rain, really. I keep saying severe whenever I see red or orange. I keep saying there's going to be severe thunderstorms, but they're never actually severe. I rarely ever see any severe thunderstorm warnings for any of these states at all, ever this week. So completely crazy. Darwin, possible thunderstorms, a slight chance for severe storms, but again, I wouldn't be getting my hopes up. It looks like it's just going to be something out of the ordinary. Something normal to me, normal outbreak of thunderstorms and rain. And Weeper might get some good rain on Sunday. Saturday, same thing, showers and light thunderstorms around North Queensland and Northern Territory area. Just basically, there's going to be stacks of rain, guys. It's going to pile on. Thursday, more rain showers and light thunderstorms, especially in Central Queensland around Townsville, Mackay. Severe thunderstorm outbreak is possible there that day. I highly doubt there's going to be any severe thunderstorm warnings, but maybe. And then throughout the week, just showers, thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms mainly developing. Complete cheap stuff, but I can tell you what, it's going to pile on, especially here in the Fitzroy crossing area when a tropical low develops somewhere into next week. You can see rain accumulation is going to go up to 140 millimeters in just 3 hours. Crazy, right? Let's take a look at the rain accumulations for this week. I forgot to show New South Wales and Queensland to my silly. So for this whole area, stacks of rain. And this little area that I just showed in the rain thunder showed white, up to 400 millimeters in some of these areas along the coast is well and truly possible. It's just going to be super wet, week. Fitzroy crossing up to 120 to 130 millimeters. Halls Creek up to about 60. Broome about 105 millimeters. It's just so much rain is going to fall, and that's mainly from the tropical low that will develop. 200 millimeters on some of these islands. Darwin expected about 200 millimeters. Basically, along the coast, where you see the yellow to black is at least 50 to 400 millimeters. So, the same thing with North Queensland. Very wet indeed. A lot of rain, which is great to see. They really do need that rain desperately. And then Central and then Southeast Queensland. Again, this is the rain we're expecting on Tuesday. That severe thunderstorm outbreak to occur. Was it the 10th of Tuesday? I can't remember. Yes, it was the 10th. So let me just break that down for you guys. So for now, these storms will move like that. If I extend this to Wednesday, just 2 days, look at the amount of rain. Just 2 days, about 48 hours, and already 150 millimeters in your Millmerran. Majority of that rain, and after that amount actually falls, nothing extra is expected. It's gonna really stay largely the same. It's just a couple more millimeters from those thunderstorms. And this rain is expected from thunderstorms that are gonna pop up sometime late next week, so nothing exciting there. New South Wales not going to see too much. We were expecting like 200 millimeters in this area, but I don't think that's going to happen. We're going to see more so heavy rain, not as much heavy rain, but large hail. Let's break that down into Saturday and Sunday. Those days we're expecting those severe thunderstorms to develop. I just want to talk you through that. So yeah, severe thunderstorms are likely in this area with that heavy rain. So basically, nothing exciting at all. Although Newcastle might get decent rain, 120 millimeters, and along the coast, basically 50 to 120 millimeters. Nothing exciting. Western Australia, not going to be surprising. Central Western Australia, 300 to 400 millimeters, crazy amounts, huge amounts of rain. This general area around Rawilina, east of Kalgoorlie, 130 millimeters. Basically, this is going to be from thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms I'm about to talk about. It's going to be a very wild day for the day I'm about to talk about. There's going to be dangerous severe thunderstorms. So right now there's a couple thunderstorms already developing in the area. Let's zoom in a little bit. So for now, just pretty clear, nothing exciting. Saturday is the main day I want to be talking about. Severe thunderstorms are likely to start developing around this area. Possible damaging winds, large hailstones, and heavy rainfall. Into Sunday, we'll see a couple more storms. This forecast has been moved a bit. There's not as much storms as we expected. Southern Northern Territory is definitely going to see some good storms. Alice Springs expecting some good thunderstorms. Excuse me for earlier. Yeah, these storms will continue until a more so powerful severe thunderstorm outbreak occurs. Sunday in the early morning, severe thunderstorms with damaging winds, large hailstones, and heavy rainfall are expected in this southern Western Australia area. Also around Perth. Perth has a slight chance of storms. I doubt there's going to be a detailed severe thunderstorm warning, but I'm not going to be surprised if there will be a severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, the storms may move close towards Perth, but I really don't think that's going to happen. But yeah, it's going to be a severe thunderstorm outbreak, guys. Keep this on your hands. This could be a very wild outbreak, especially for flooding. The amount of rain that's going to fall in that day in this area that we talked about is going to be bomb-like, explosion of rain. It's I'm not even joking. It will be bomb-like explosion. Nope. But that day, yeah, not much rain. I did not expect that. I thought there was going to be more. But if we go to Wednesday, we're going to Tuesday actually. Let me show you something. Sunday and Monday are the peak days of this rain. Anyway, yeah, those severe storms will continue throughout the day. Sunday, another severe thunderstorm outbreak as the ex-tropical low continues to move, and then nothing exciting after that. Anyway, I've spent too much time talking about rain and all that other stuff. Let's now move to tropical cyclones. Yeah, it's going to be a very curious week. I've got only a couple of minutes. So let's talk about this layer right here that's expected to develop. We could see a severe tropical cyclone off the coast from Karratha later on next week into Wednesday or Thursday. So looking into Tuesday, it starts to strengthen. Gale force winds are possible on the coast near Broome, also near Indonesia. It's possible. We might see it strengthen to Category 1, maybe even Category 2. We don't know yet exactly. But it does look like we might have a coastal crossing around Exmouth, Carnarvon or Coral Bay. Gale force winds will be along the coast from Karratha down to Carnarvon, in fact even south towards Perth. Yeah, gusty wind gusts, and it is expected to cross somewhere around Coral Bay until it moves south and it rapidly decays, reaching Category 1, in fact tropical low status, and then it just sits over Western Australia. Before it looks like we might have another tropical low develop in this area, but if I go to the GFS, this is a very not a very reliable source, but what it is calling for Sunday, it's calling up a Category 3 or even a Category 4, Category 2 or Category 3 tropical cyclone. I don't believe that's going to happen. In fact, Category 4 now. I don't think that's going to happen. GFS is unreliable after the 5 days. And just a heads up to round up this video, it's already gone for way too long. the other tropical low that's over here, just near West Island, will become a cyclone some point next week over the weekend. Maybe, Monday, Tuesday it will strengthen, and then looks like Thursday we're going to see some development of it. It might become a weak Category 1 system. There is a slight chance of impacts to West Island, but I really doubt it, and it doesn't look like anything significant at all until it moves towards Australia, and you can see it kind of strengthens a little bit, but then it just dissipates. It's going to be a problem this system, if it does develop, it's going to be a problem for Christmas. It's right into Christmas. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was hope I had enough information. I was kind of rushing again, too much things to talk about. I didn't really even have time, really. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful in some way, and I'll see you all in the next forecast video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.